friend, Jim here with JB's Big Adventure, coming to you from Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we are in Ajijic, we are with Cristina Barreto. And she is a dentist, and she is a very popular dentist. And Dr. Barreto, thank you very much for having this over here to kind of share and taking a busy time out of your day to see us. So what I'm wanting to do is, obviously, I come across business professionals that I like to refer to our viewers, but this is one of those things I get a lot of viewers asking about dentistry here at Lake Chapala.
Yeah.
And so what I've done is I've been real careful about who I've chosen because of the fact that there's all kind of dentists out there, and I wanted to choose someone that really had great reviews and was really popular and everything. So Dr. Barreto, share with us a little about yourself and maybe what got you involved in dentistry.
Yep. Well, I have been a dentist since 2013. I am originally from Guadalajara, and I studied in the Guadalajara University in the UDG. That's the first university for dentistry in Guadalajara, and the second one in all Mexico. So it's that older university, not me. And I studied 6 months in Spain in the University of Santiago de Compostela, doing mostly surgery field. And yeah, that's all my background. And I have 6 years already here in the lake doing what I like, and 3 years already with my own practice. So yeah.
So what brought you to decide to have a dental office at Lake Chapala?
I was working for somebody, and they were interested about opening a succursal or a branch in here. And I had the English, and I knew the area because I has been growing with my grandparents with a house in Lake Chapala. So I say, like, I'm going. And I came, I fall in love. I moved the first moment. I wasn't planning on driving that road every day, no way. So I just moved. I love the people. And when I have the opportunity to open my own practice, I decide to open it here.
Well, and she's in a real easy spot to be able to get to right off the carretera, and I know that's another plus here about being able to get here. And there is parking on the street, and there's a few parking spots actually in the front of the building. Share with us, what do most patients that come to you that are expats, what do you find you doing most of?
What I'm doing most in average is mostly cleanings, root canals and crowns, and some patients come by aesthetic, that they want to change, full change, like veneers and crowns and something like that. Okay. But the things that I do the most, it will be cleanings and crowns. Yeah.
Cleanings and crowns. And when your patients, obviously you're having a busy practice because you're the dentist here, what kind of time frame do you need the patient to be able to give you to be able to get an appointment today?
Between a week and a week and a half. Like right now, it's a week and a half. Sometimes are just in a week or things like that. But usually I recommend to schedule by time, yeah.
And because of the fact that we're in the low season right now, I can understand it. When we get to the high season, like right now we're shooting this video in July. Once we start getting like close to November and all, what kind of time frame, if someone's coming down here as an expat, as a snowbird or whatever, what kind of time frame when they call in the office should they be expecting to have to wait till they have an appointment?
More or less the same, like a week and a half, sometimes even 2 weeks, but it's not that common. What I have a lot in low season, in high season, is people who send me they go to the dentist in the state and they got a budget and a treatment and x-rays and everything, and then email everything to me. I make them the same budget, but in Mexican pesos, and we can schedule on advance all the appointment, more or less what they need. So I have been working like that, and it's more popular that in high season, that they send me what they want, or if they want veneer, I ask them some certain kind of pictures and what we can start doing on advance. And then when they arrive, okay, let's start setting the appointment. So I have a lot of those kind of patients when they prepare the dental vacation.
Well, something I wanted to share with you that I wanted to make sure that I shared, and that was I've actually spoken to folks that are expats that are here at Lake Chapala, and there are other dental offices that folks have been to that have been shared with me that stay away from that dentist, stay away from that group of dentists. And what would you say makes you so popular as patients wanting to come in and have you do their dental work?
I always put the example with wine. I like to drink wine, red wine mostly, and not every day, well, 1 cup. But in one catering, the sommelier was explaining that the best wine is not the most expensive or is not the most popular. The best wine is the wine that you like, the wine that you enjoy. I always put that example with myself and with dentists. The best dentist here is, or anywhere, is not the cheapest, it's not the most expensive, it's not the most popular. It's the one that you feel comfortable. And I always try to make my patients feel part of my family, my friends. I was also telling my patients that for me it's more common become a friend to a patient than my friends becoming my patients, because maybe they have more time in the lakeside than me and they already feel confident with their dentist, and I'm like, fine, but keep going to your dentist, you know?
Right.
So I tried my best to just remember what we talk, and I like to have nice conversation with my patients, and I put in the notes not only about your dental, you know, I also put like, oh, he's going to travel to Zimbabwe next week. So next time he came, I'm going to ask him like, hey, how was Zimbabwe?
Wow.
Just like an example like that. I try to be more personal.
Wow.
And some people like, some people don't.
Well, that is a real plus. I mean, with the number of dentists that I've been around, and coming from a place where there's a dental school and a lot of dentistry, and I have having friends that are in the medical field and dental field, for you to say that is really a great thing. In fact, I want to let my viewers know too that I've spoken to people that I've actually done videos with that have let me know that they're a patient of yours. And I think that is really a great thing to know that I've since spoken with folks that have had Dr. Barreto as their dentist, and to be able to get a chance to be with you and do this video with you. So as we close this video, what I do want to ask is, what is it that you'd like to share with the viewers that in regards to you taking care of them, and that is the relationship obviously is a long-term relationship. You're not looking for somebody just like one time. It's something that you create the kind of relationship that they feel comfortable coming here all the time for you if you need to be.
Yeah, but also if they come only for one time, it's like, oh, don't forget to do this. Like, I understand what a patient is coming for dental tourism, and maybe they're not coming back, but I try to them feel warm, you know, like we are Mexicans are known for being warm people, and I try to be just like that. Like you feel that you're welcome, that you want to come back. Maybe you're not, but you're going to remember, oh yeah, Mexico is a nice place to go. That's what I want. Even if you're coming once, that's what I want you to think about.
That's a great thing to share. And you know, what I've really found out even more being that Barbara and I are from Albuquerque, New Mexico, I've really come into so much more of an appreciation of the Mexican people and the Mexican culture. Very warm, very friendly, very helpful. And on top of that, you've got a dentist here that speaks fluent English. So that's also a big plus, not having to have somebody interpreting or translating that you speak English. So I hope that this has been helpful for you in regards to making a decision of picking a great dentist here at Lake Chapala. Friend, if you haven't already, I'd like to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's a great community, and I know you want to be a part of it. All you got to do is go to the bottom right-hand corner, is that little red box, tap on it, and you're subscribed. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. That lets other people know that YouTube on this channel has great videos about Lake and retiring at Lake Chapala. Stop by and say hi, leave a question, maybe even let us know of a video idea you'd like to have. Then make sure you hit the bell because you'll be immediately notified of the next video that comes out. You don't want to miss our next video. So again, Dr. Barreto, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so
I really
much.
appreciate it. You have an awesome day, and we will see you on the next video.